We all want safe streets, but relocation of stray animals isn't the answer. The Supreme Court of India has ordered stray dogs to be removed from public spaces like schools, hospitals, bus stands, and railway stations and shifted to shelters. This move is unsustainable and counterproductive, as it violates the established catch, sterilize, vaccinate, return model, risking mass displacement and deaths of community animals. Removing dogs from their known territory creates a vacuum. Unvaccinated, unsterilized animals move in. The very problem you tried to fix worsens. So what works? A humane solution. Sterilization, vaccination, return to original territory, responsible feeding, adoption, and community-based coexistence. We share these streets, this land, this life. Let's choose coexistence and compassion for them and for us.